An important reminder this morning to think twice before you get behind the wheel of a car when you haven't had enough sleep. Tampa police say a drowsy driver caused this crash on Himes Avenue overnight. Officials say the man behind the wheel was tired and lost control of his car just after midnight. He veered off the road and struck a pole carrying cable TV lines. The driver was okay, and he isn't going to face any charges. And to reinforce how dangerous drowsy driving is, we found out 100,000 crashes every year are caused by drowsy drivers. 55% of those crashes are caused by drivers less than 25 years old. And being awake for 18 hours is equal to a blood alcohol concentration of 0.08. That's legally drunk.